Have you ever wondered why you can't just do whatever you want? I-spoil na kita. It's because we have such thing as the law. Welcome! Ito ang Batas Basics PH, and in this video, we will talk about the basics sa ilalim ng Philippine law. Alam nyo ba na ang Philippine law ay parang rulebook ng bansa natin? It's like the house rules pero for our whole country. Think of it like this. Kung walang rule sa bahay, what will happen? Magiging chaotic, right? Same thing sa bansa natin. We need laws para hindi tayo magulo. But before we dive deeper into our first ever topic sa channel na ito, I'd like to remind you that this is not legal advice. Ang video na ito ay for educational purposes only. It does not replace any formal legal education or training. And most importantly, if you have any real legal problem, seek professional legal advice. Alright, let's dive in. Alam nyo ba na ang Philippine law ay may iba't ibang sources? Una sa lahat, meron tayong constitution. Ito yung supreme law of the land. Parang team captain siya ng lahat ng batas. Kung may conflict, siya ang masusunod. Well, ano ba ang laman nito? Imaginein mo siya as blueprint ng bansa natin. Nandito yung basic rights natin as citizens, andito yung rules kung paano dapat mag-operate ang government, pati na rin ang structure ng bansa natin naka-outline dito. Fun fact, pwede siyang baguhin, pero sobrang hirap kasi kakailanganin mo ng malaking boto from the Congress at yung mga tao. Next, meron tayong statutory law. Ito yung mga batas na ginagawa ng Kongreso. Parang day-to-day rules ng bansa ito. For example, dito galing ang mga batas tulad ng anti-cybercrime law. Pati yung mga rules sa pagkuha ng driver's license, part ito ng statutory law. Ang cool dito kasi kung may bagong issue or problem sa society, pwedeng gumawa ng bagong batas ang Kongreso to address it. Lastly, meron tayong jurisprudence. Ito yung mga decisions ng Supreme Court na nagiging part ng law. Think of it as parang case studies na ginagawa ng mga judges. Kung may similar na kaso in the future, pwedeng gamitin yung past decisions as guide. Minsan, nagke-create ito ng bagong interpretation ng existing laws. Kaya importante to kasi nag-i-evolve ang interpretation ng laws base sa real-life situations. Ngayon, alam mo na ang basics ng batas sa Pilipinas. Pero ano nga ba ang pakinabang nito sa atin? Well, as a matter of fact, it affects all of us. Kahit ikaw na nanonood ngayon. Let's take a simple example. Pagtawid ng kalsada. Kapag tumawid ka sa tamang tawiran tulad ng pedestrian lane or pedestrian bridge, you're already following the law. Ganun lang kasimple, yet marami pa rin ang lumalabag nito. And it's one of the reasons for accidents sa kalsada. If it happens sa simpleng pagtawid, paano pa sa mas malalaking bagay? Something to think about, but that's another topic for a future video. Now, let's dive deeper. Ano pa nga ba yung pakinabang ng mga batas dito sa Pilipinas? Well, I can give you thousands of reasons kung bakit ito importante sa atin. But let's summarize. Philippine law ensures social order. It protects our rights and freedoms. It sets standards for behavior in society. It promotes justice and equality. And lastly, it helps resolve conflicts peacefully. Imagine a world without laws. Sige, walang rules sa traffic. What will happen? Chaos sa kalsada. No protection against crime. Nakakatakot, di ba? Ang Philippine law ay nagpo-protect sa ating rights. For example, right to education, kaya may free public schools tayo. Freedom of speech, kaya pwede tayong mag-express ng mga opinion natin. And of course, yung karapatan nating bumoto, kaya may boses tayo sa gobyerno. It also gives us responsibilities like paying taxes. Laws also regulates businesses. Kaya may expiration date ang mga pagkain sa grocery. Kaya may safety standards ang mga gadgets natin. Even our personal relationships are affected by law. Andyan yung marriage laws, child custody laws, and inheritance laws. Kaya next time someone says the law is boring, you can tell them how it's actually a big part of their everyday life. And that concludes our quick intro to Philippine law. I hope na-realize nyo how important and interesting it actually is. Kaya laging tandaan, knowing the law empowers you to be a better citizen. Kaya don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more bite-sized law lessons. Alright? See you next time!